How's that? So these my dad bought for me, thank you Dad, on Amazon. And they are the 5-gallon grow bags from, I want to say Gardzen something. I can put the link below. Not affiliated, just I'll put the link below if you're interested in. They were a good deal. The shipping came quickly. So they come, they're very flatly packed. They come like this because I don't, oh there it is, here I'll show you. So it's Gardzen. If you want. So this pack had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 12 grow bags. Last year I did 10 tomatoes along the fence here, and we're going to see how many of these bags we can get along the fence, because that's going to determine pretty much how many of the indeterminate tomatoes I'm going to grow, because I like to tie the strings. I do the one stem method and I string it up to the gazebo, and then the string runs back down and then they just wrap around that. It works really well. So that is my trellising option for my tomatoes. So I'm going to go place these. I'm going to put the handle at the back actually, and then that's what I can hook the string to from the gazebo. So next up, I'm just going to be dumping a bunch of the mix into the big bucket and prepping the soil and getting it nice and saturated before I start doing the rest of the tomatoes. Because my tomatoes are the only ones that don't get a mix of the old potting mix and the new. The tomatoes get all new because they're special. Is not planting yet. My next task is first I have to go in. I managed to get 11 along here, and then that one at the end is going to get tucked around the corner. So I will have 12 grow bags for tomatoes, so now I get to decide which 12 tomatoes I'm going to be planting, and I'm going to go make some labels. We're going to make labels, and I am for the first time trying the old mini blind trick. So these are actually a bit thicker, nice mini blinds someone was throwing out. They were at the curb. So I'm just going to use those marks, and the snips work a lot better. So there we go. 4 plant labels. A million more to go.
So here they are, all tucked into their grow bags. I really like these, this style. They were very easy to shape into some rectangles and be able to get as many as possible along my fence there. So I will be adding the string in a little bit to get them up over the gazebo as my trellis. But I am really impressed with the amount of growth they've done in just 1 week. Look at them here a week later, and you can see them already up above the edge of the bag. So that's been really exciting, and I really appreciate you guys watching. And look at that, from 1 week to the next. Amazing. So make sure you subscribe and like the video, and you can hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.